todo, ven, bien.
Alright, Sensei, you're up. Alright, sir, you're up. Sensei, you're up. Fernandez, you're up.
La selección, bien.
Good. Alright, so James. So he's gonna cancel. So just cut him. He's gonna cancel. Show me the cancel. That's cancel. Right? Very simple. You bring it up. You cancel. That's it. What happens when you cancel an opponent? Yeah, it's like neutral. That's what I call it. You cancel somebody, you call it neutral. Nothing happens. You already prevent them from doing anything. They're not really gonna score on you if you cancel them good. Okay? But let's say you guys are like really aggressive. Somebody more flexible, longer, stronger, and you're not the stronger, more flexible fighter. But it doesn't mean you can't win. Okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be working the cancel, but you're gonna make sure you push them away. So when you get somebody who's taller and stronger, what happens? Kind of hit you in the head, even though you're working your cancel, even though you're listening to your coach, right? But we have to change that. So what we're gonna do is we'll have Cespedes, you demonstrate, and we'll have let's see. Oh, Ryan, you said you do it too. Still go with an axe, okay? But like a hard axe. Don't just do one axe. You can do multiple. Okay, do multiple axes. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Her job is to push you away with her cancel. Okay? So watch. So he's gonna come in, hard axe, boom, and he has to push him away. Hard, go, keep going, hard. Right away. Boom, and keep going. Keep going. Go, go, keep going. Keep going. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Keep going. Hard. Give two, three. Go, three. Five. Get her, get her, get her, get her, get her. Boom, just like that. Got it? Yes, sir. Give him back. Alright? Her job is to keep him away. Okay? We want to push him. So she's coming in with that axe. Watch. So this wasn't bad. She was doing this, just like that. Boom. No. I don't want a harder push. When she's coming in, I hold it here. Boom. You see how she stumbled back? That's what you want. Because if you do it, if she comes in, you cancel, and it's too soft, boom. She got it. Okay? So a hard push, using your shin, pushing him back. Got it? Yes, sir? Right? So I'll tell you guys with the switch. So you guys come up. Right? First person come up against them. Yep. And go. Hard. Right back in. Good. Good. Hard. Make sure that shit goes over the leg. Wait. Switch. Right away. Go. Ready? Go. Hard out. Good. Hard out. Go. And time.